Unfortunately, I have to bring the Samsung out of rice. And no, I'm not lying. That's the rice. Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on Phloshop. My name is Joseph. In today's video, I will be talking to you about the Huawei Y9s and the Samsung A70. Unfortunately, I have to bring the Samsung out of rice. And no, I'm not lying. That's the rice. Let me try and turn it on. And it's dead. So if you want to know what happened to the Samsung A70, do stick to the end of the video. Alright, so before we start, I just want to quickly say that it's not like I am here to talk against Samsung, but I came to check after the incident happened and I noticed that the Huawei Y9s is not water or dust resistant, and I also checked against the Samsung A70 and it's also not water or dust resistant, like it says right here. So getting into the shoot, I started using both phones to take video, starting with a silhouette type of shot. Auto settings, I didn't adjust anything. I'm just using the video setting, no stabilization, nothing. Unfortunately, it's only the Huawei footage you guys are going to see because of what happened to the Samsung. So I stood up, I walked, I didn't change any settings, nothing of the sort. And then I walked to the other side to get an even exposure on the model, and the Huawei did amazing. It adjusted automatically to balance the lighting, the saturation of the colors. Everything was really, really nice. So the big video you're seeing is from the Canon EOS R, and then what's in the corner is from the Huawei Y9s. So then I switched to take some pictures. I used the 48 megapixel of the Huawei Y9s and then the 32 megapixel of the Samsung A70. Took pictures from different angles using the sun to light the model. And I'm going to leave some images at the end. Later on, I also came back to get some silhouette shots and it also did amazing. I couldn't use the 48 megapixels of the Huawei to get wide angle shots, so I switched to the 12 megapixel camera and it allowed me to take wide angle shots. I'm going to show you those as well. So at the end, I am just going to try and turn on the Huawei and the Samsung, knowing in the beginning that both of them are not dust resistant, both of them are not water resistant. I didn't intentionally get the phones where they were all in the same pocket, all got the same amount of water on them. Took them all out at the same time, but the Huawei clearly is working. I can browse through, look at the images, and the Samsung is just not working. So we were done with the shoot and then I decided to get into the water because they were having their own time, and I decided to use my camera again. So the phones were in my pocket. You see the first wave came, the second one came, and this is where I even screamed because the tip of my shorts got wet and I was talking to the girl and I was distracted, and then this wave I wasn't expecting just came, and this is where we decided to leave. This was the point where my shorts got soaked, but I brought the phones out immediately. So you can see I'm holding the camera up, the phones are up, and it died. So do let me know what you think about the video, considering that the Huawei is 500 cedis cheaper than the Samsung, and clearly it's still working even though the Samsung is not. It tells you that the Huawei is durable, and that is all I wanted you guys to know. So I'm going to actually show you guys the behind the scenes of the shoot that I did in my next video. So stay tuned for that. And yeah, I just wanted to show you guys what happened. I couldn't do the review I wanted to properly because of what happened. The Samsung isn't working, even though both of them are not water and dust resistant. It's sad. Anyways, do leave your comments down below. Tell me what you think about the Huawei and the Samsung A70, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye everyone.